In this video, we'll learn how to add a new NDC code in PinkyBill. Click on the Settings button in the top right navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Practice. Choose your desired practice from the list. Click on the NDC Code tab. Click on the Add New NDC Code button. Fill in the NDC code details. NDC code, enter the drug code. Description, provide a brief description of the medication. Charges, enter the cost or billing amount. Quantity, specify the quantity used or dispensed. Click the Add button to save. Your NDC code has been added successfully. For NCPDP, an additional CPT code field is to be filled.
PinkyBill